Video is proudly sponsored by Pouch. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video on the channel. For today's video, we are doing yet again another POV. After the Fiat one, everybody wanted the Scirocco. So without further ado, let's go downstairs, jump in the Scirocco, and start this POV. But not first before I drink my mocha. Oh, splendid. Right, so here is actually the Volkswagen Scirocco we are taking out today. Now, for people who don't know, this is actually my Volkswagen Scirocco 2-litre TSI Stage 1 tuner. That is pretty much it. It's got a DKU performance exhaust on, ram air filter, and that is it. Oh, and a blow-off valve, RTMG blow-off valve. But yeah, guys, I think it's time to take this car out. However, I'm actually running low on oil, so that gives me a perfect opportunity to talk about today's sponsor, Pouch. Pouch is a free desktop browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best discount codes when you are shopping online. And lads, let me tell you, this has saved me a lot of money on car stuff, as well as in general. Now then, the other day I was actually shopping on Eurocar parts for some oil. And just like that, I found some oil. I'm gonna click add to basket, view basket, and Pouch already pops up automatically with 8 codes without even clicking a button. Pouch will actually try each code and find and apply the best one to save me the most amount of money. And as you can see, it saved me £30.15. So of course, let me get that ordered. Now, if you guys didn't know, Pouch actually works on over 3,000 UK sites, such as Black Circle Tyres, Eurocar parts, and Quick Fit. And the best part is, Pouch only takes a couple of clicks to install. So to install it, you just click add to Chrome, add extension, and make sure you pin it. And you're all good to go. And even if there are no live codes at the time you are shopping online, you can still earn points from participating retailers, which can be redeemed into gift cards. See you in a sec, future Michael, when the oil's arrived. Just like that, a couple days later, and it has arrived. And now, the dipstick is perfecto. It's to the max. Get Pouch right now today for free by clicking the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comments to joinpouch.com/i/the-other-stuff. And yeah, honestly guys, try it out today and seriously, you will be thanking me. I expect to thank you. Anyway, thank you so much to Pouch for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to the POV and start driving. Oh, all right then, guys. Oh, I've just adjusted my head mount, but pretty much we're now on the road and we're about to hit some country bloody roads. Just need to, you know, let the spaceship warm up first. You know what I mean? You can't go supersonic speed without the, you know, countdown. But anyway, look at the beautiful scenery. Hello, sheep. You guys can't even see it. Hello, sheep. Or lamb. I don't know what the fuck you're chatting. This is why I love having the tinted windows and everything, because it does make it a lot more private in here. Like, I doubt he would have really been able to see the GoPro on my head. I fucking love it. In the Fiat or any other car, you'd just be able to see straight through, like a little Asian kid just smiling at you with his teeth out with a Panasonic Lumix on his head. Woohoo! People ask me, does the blow-off valve still get annoying? What the fuck? It is the loudest motherfucker ever. If you've seen the unit, it's like this small. Like, but it makes an almighty roar, fam. But I absolutely still love it. Like, windows up, you can barely hear it. And like, most of the time you got music on anyway. So I love it basically. It's just something you get used to, isn't it? So let's actually spin down here. Oh, let's have a look if anybody's down here. 60, just like that. The car has gotten louder somehow, right? It's either I'm putting my foot down more after that track day I had, or something is going on in this car. Like, I don't know if the cats are being demolished or something. DSG farts have gotten louder just recently. It's crazy. Driving. That one was brutal. Let's go. I don't know which way to go. Look at that. It does pop a little, actually. It does pop a little, but obviously not enough where I want it. are like, it pops the tiniest amount and then it will just completely cut out. So definitely want to get a pop and bang map on. Some people don't like them, but it just adds a bit of drama, you know what I mean? It's so boring. Even if it's just in sport mode that I have it, like this is drive and then you got sport. Even if it's just in sport mode that it has the pops and bangs, that would be great. Man, I'm just flexing now. I should go there. Let me turn around. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna put my foot down now. But obviously, stick to speed limits and sticking to my limits as well. Listen. Oh shit! The FIAT has just got new coilovers. Video coming very, very soon. But like, they are horrible, honestly. Like, the ride, this is softening. Like, you don't feel the bump so like that, which is what you would if you didn't have suspension or the springs or the dampeners. Honestly, the FIAT is now do. Like, you can fucking feel every bump. People like warned me about obviously coilovers. I don't care particularly. It's not something that bothers me, but it is bad. And not bad as in the good bad. It's bad. Like, just BAD. Another good news is the dog had diarrhea on me today. See, it sounds like I'm going fast, but I'm actually doing the speed limit. And I follow no rules. I would put my foot down here, but it feels like no man's land with all the fucking craters and everything. Like, oh yeah, hold on, I got a rant to do. So I was gonna do a crazy sound system. I'm still going to, hopefully. I'm probably just gonna put an amp in. Oh no, a subwoofer in, to be fair, in this car. But I literally went down to a company. I wrote to a company. I was like, hi, I'm looking to get an insane, or I said crazy sound system installed to my car, right? And they said, yeah, sure, come down to discuss it. I was like, I want to film it for my channel. And like, yeah, sure, come down to discuss it. I got down and they didn't even fucking know I was coming. It pissed me off, I can't even lie. Like, I travelled down an hour and 20 minutes for them to be like, oh, we didn't even know you were coming. I met an amazing fan, and that was the only reason why it was worthwhile. Only reason. He served us. I could have at least spoken to the guy I spoke to on Instagram, because I wanted a crazy sound system, not just the subwoofer. I wanted to carve out the boot with neons, and I've seen stuff they do. They make leather, like boots. It's insane. But now, unfortunately, like, I travelled down 3 hours in total both ways. Almost got crashed into. Play the clip.
What are you doing?
What the fuck, man? Oh my god, he literally just watched you there and just carried on going towards you.
And literally, I just travelled there to look around their shop. So yeah, that speaker video system would be out by now, and it would be the baddest Scirocco system ever. Like, I'm talking neon lights, I'm talking cutouts, fam, in the boot. But unfortunately, that company didn't really help at all. And I feel bad because there's no hate towards the fan who helped us out that day, but mainly towards the guy on Instagram. Like, you could have fucking organised it a bit better. I was literally ready, cash in hand, to pay for this system. The video would be out by now. It'd be a lot more interesting than POVs, let's be honest. But anyway, speaker system is coming. It's just I have to find the right company to do it. So if the company still wants to get involved, let's do it. But yeah, big up to the fan I met there. Like, he knew a lot about speaker systems. He definitely guided me to He definitely guided me to pick the right ones, and the right ones were not there. The subwoofer was £500 there. The one I found online was just £129 with 5-star reviews. But anyway, let's... Look at these brakes. Jesus, that was not good for the I do not like launching the car. Like, you know, I've just seen too many clips, but like snapping a drive shaft, for example, or even like a clutch because they've launched it, and it's like, I do not want to spend £5 on a new like gearbox because like I've done a launch for a 1 second clip on YouTube. But yeah, that literally looks that literally looked like the little go-kart out of a little doll's car, for fuck's sake. Look at this, we're in Forza, mate. I can't see. With this dual carriageway, excuse my lane discipline, basically nobody uses these lanes, like, and if you use them, you'll people like swerve into you and everything. It's crazy. This car's angry. Did you hear me? Hangry. This is such a safe car for overtaking. Like, we drop down. Okay, never mind, there's a fucking car. You don't even have to put it in sport mode, that's how good it is. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. What? Don't piss me off. Got, like, the creator spawned all them in. But like literally, if you see a car coming around the corner and you haven't got enough time, in the Fiat you just have to pray and hope. In this car, you quite simply put your foot down. The car is perfect for overtaking, that's all I can say. Whoa. Point and fucking go with this car. A rear wheel drive car, not that I've ever drove one or not, but from what I know, like, if you put too much throttle going around a corner, you're going to spin out. This is just absolutely ridiculous. Like, you literally point the steering wheel where you want it, put your foot down. Just watch how this car handles. 60. That's it. The thing is, I honestly would like a slower car. Like, that's why it's so good having the Punto. Because the thing is, in this Scirocco, right, you put your foot down for a second, you're already at the speed limit. You put your foot down in the Fiat and you will not get up to speed before you get to that corner. So you'll never be breaking speed limits. Not that I do. Oh my god, bruv, I just broke something. That was not safe. Like, whatever that noise was loud. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @the_OtherStuff and subscribe if you are new, or don't subscribe, I don't care. If you don't want me on your page, don't subscribe. But either way, thank you for watching. Thank you once again to Pouch for sponsoring today's video. Click the link in the description to join Pouch today and start saving moolah. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. Whoppa!